Of course, karapatan naman po ni Pastor Kibulo yun na italaga ang ating dating Pangulo bilang administrador ng Kingdom of Jesus Christ. Naniniwala po ako na bilang dating Pangulo, siya po ay magsisilbing daan upang siguraduhin ako anuman po ang mga legal processes na kakailanganin natin upang malaman ang mga questions of law that is now being faced by KO, Kingdom of Jesus Christ, Suarezug, and all the other assets will be available to the committee. So, ang hinahabol naman po talaga natin dito ay yung katotohanan, ang hinahabol naman po talaga natin dito ay yung karapatan at sisiguraduhin po natin na ito po ay dadaan sa maayos at tamang proseso dito po sa Kongreso.
Of course, there are very little prohibitions po, no, to a former president. As a private person, they are free to take on any roles that may be offered to him, and we welcome and we respect that po, no. But yung question po, no, if there are any implications, I would say wala naman po siguro. Tuloy pa rin naman po yung both, at least for our part here sa House, tuloy naman po yung inquiry, and we don't see any effect po from that. It remains to be seen po, of course. We don't know in what manner an administrator will be participating. Pero tuloy pa rin po yung ating inquiry if that is the question.